Hi, I'm Leonard Redway, General Manager of LRS Plumbing. During the month of October, we join organizations nationwide in bringing awareness to a killer that has no specific target, a killer that has no age, no demographic, no nationality, and no sexual orientation. Yes, I'm speaking of breast cancer. In years past, we have joined organizations that do much needed research in trying to find a cure. Equally as important are the individuals that fight on a day-to-day basis to beat breast cancer. Meet Shanice, a California RN who started her fight in August of 2015.
Please join us in supporting this fighter, Shanice Lartique, financially. During the month of October, LRS Plumbing will donate 20% of all sales to Shanice. Even if you are not in need of plumbing service, please click the link attached and donate whatever you can. Thank you.